In this video, you will learn how to split sound between your speakers and headphones on a Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. First, move your mouse to the bottom right corner of the screen. Look for the speaker icon in the system tray. Right-click on the speaker icon. A small menu will appear. Click on the option that says Open Volume Mixer. The Volume Mixer window will show two sections. One section is for output devices and the other section is for input devices. Output devices are used to play sound, like speakers or headphones. Input devices are used to record sound, like microphones. If you have more than one output device connected to your computer, you will see a drop-down menu next to the word Output. Click on the drop-down menu. You will see a list of all connected devices. Select the device you want to use as your main output. For example, you can choose speakers or headphones. To set a different device for each application, scroll down to the App Volume and Device Preferences section. You will see a list of running applications. Next to each application, there is a drop-down menu for output devices. Click on the menu and select the device you want the application to use. Once you have made your selections, close the window. The changes will take effect immediately. That's how you split sound between speakers and headphones on Windows 10 and Windows 11.